What's up, guys? Welcome back to Joe Rad Trades. I'm just gonna do a quick market overview. So we're looking at EEM, which is showing some potential strength here. I had a Keltner channel touch, deeper pullback, and then a gap back up to the upside off a cycle low. If I look into one of my other charts here, you can see that price is held and gapped above the 200 SMA. So showing strength there, showing some support. Weekly momentum is up, so I can pull that up. Weekly momentum's pushing to the upside. The other point I wanted to make was that ASUD is showing strength as well, which is typically weak for the dollar. Both of these are typically weak for the dollar. And as the dollar weakens, we could see risk coming back on a bit. We're currently in a risk off situation. We have a potential bullish ante forming on the weekly here, so this might take a little bit longer than expected, but I think we can expect a slower push down from these markets than we're currently getting, sort of reprieve from the environment that we're in. Looking at the Dixie, you can see the correlation where the dollar kind of sells off, which is kind of a risk on environment. It had a pretty big sell off, so I would look for some mean reversion at some point here. And TLT was the other one I wanted to look at here, which also has an inverse correlation with equities. We have a rejection off the 200, a very strong momentum, or a very strong rejection from the 200, but it is a decent pullback area where the short-term trend is strong. But this is not looking good for the bears that were going long here, so they probably got out on some of these bars, especially this bar here, theoretically speaking. So I think we can expect a slowdown in the greater markets like SPX. We could see some sort of hold of support here for at least a little bit before maybe breaking lower. Obviously, not trying to predict markets, just trying to tell you guys what I'm seeing. And then if we look at the MAG 7, it's just super weak. So that's one thing to look out for when you're testing this theory that risk is back on. I think risk is on, but it's money is rotating from these bigger sectors to smaller sectors. So just keep an eye out for that. That's all I have for today. Good luck and good trading.